In today's video, I will walk you through how to ask ChatGPT's specific guide about health. First, keep in mind that ChatGPT is not a real doctor, but it can still help you create detailed health and fitness plans. To get started, type a prompt asking ChatGPT to help you get fit, healthy, gain muscle, or lose weight. You can ask for a detailed exercise plan based on your goals. Once ChatGPT generates the plan, read through the workout schedule and recommendations it gives you. If the response is not detailed enough, ask it to get more specific. You can request a more advanced routine, a weekly breakdown, or additional details for each workout day. Continue refining the prompt until the plan matches what you want. After that, ask ChatGPT to create a weekly meal plan. Include a calorie allowance in your prompt if you want the meal plan to follow a specific target. Once the meal plan is generated, review the meals for each day of the week. Next, ask ChatGPT to turn that meal plan into a shopping list. It'll organize the ingredients into categories and create a complete list based on the meals it suggested. Go through the shopping list and check the ingredient sections it creates. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate recipes using ingredients you already have at home. Type a prompt listing the food items or ingredients you currently have available. ChatGPT will then generate different recipes based on those ingredients. If you want a recipe for a specific type of meal, ask directly for that recipe. For example, you can request a recipe for a certain dish while including food restrictions or preferences. You can ask for recipes that avoid certain ingredients or recipes that match a specific diet. Continue adjusting your prompts to make the recipes more specific if needed. You can ask for different meal variations, ingredient swaps, or changes to match your preferences. By combining detailed exercise prompts, meal plans, shopping lists, and recipe requests, you can use ChatGPT to create a complete health and fitness guide tailored to what you want.